Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, September 15th, and this is my recap of the top vid videos of Friday. And on Friday, gold came in number 2, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis from Friday morning on gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold blew past my Fibonacci extension level that I had for the wave 5 projection. So most likely the fact that this right here didn't hold, I think eventually it probably will have to go up to the next Fibonacci level. The next Fibonacci level for me is above the 2624 area. Now it definitely does have a 1, 2, 3 look to it, so I would actually kind of expect that it might not even, the next push down may not even be a wave 4. It might just end up making a little correction and continuing up like that to finish off a wave 3, probably eventually making a wave 4 and a wave 5 subdivision of the trend that started way back here. So the trend is your friend. We are in all-time highs on gold, but to be honest with you, that doesn't really mean anything to me. That doesn't mean that I'm trying to sort it. The trend is your friend, so I will definitely continue to go long, at least until this trend tells me it's over, preferably with a break on like the 4 hour or the daily time frame to the downside. So we do have a lot of big news events coming out this week, but tomorrow is Monday. We got this Empire State Manufacturing Index tomorrow. Probably not that big of a market mover at all. Next big thing to look out for is the Canadian CPI news on Tuesday, plus retail sales for the U.S. And then we all have a lot going on Wednesday. Not only pound CPI, but we got FOMC interest rate news for the U.S. Definitely a very, very big news event. And on Thursday, we got interest rate for the pound also. So definitely a lot of really big news coming out this week, which is good news for us. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.